All right. The topic is describe a company where you live that employs a lot of people, right? So you got to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes, please.
Well, actually, there are a lot of workplaces in and around my hometown, like banks, institutions, and other companies. Here, I would like to talk about an educational institution which is quite near to my house, and as far as I have noticed, that it always employs a lot of people. Um, Moreover, I have actually a personal experience of that institution. I have been a part of that workplace for almost 8 to 10 years. There are a lot of strategies regarding to this institution that I have personally noticed. Even in the most I have observed during the pandemic, as there were a lot of institutions that I have noticed, they were just deploying their employees and were not in favor of giving any kind of recruitment to people. But that was the institution. Even there were a lot of students were coming at that time, and they were according to that they were hiring a lot of professionals, because it's gaining a paramount importance, and that is the reason that they have to expand their branches. So for this reason they have to recruit a lot of people. So it's always the other factor that always play an important role, that it does not demand any hefty amount from the parents. So is another reason for its overriding importance. But on the other hand, it also offers a very handsome salary package to the teachers as well. So always there are a lot of CVs or resumes to overview.
Okay, that's fine. Relax,
I'm
calm
getting.
down. You spoke for 1 minute 45 seconds, which is really good. And it's good to wait for the examiner to stop you, because in actual exam you will not have any watch or any timer and all that. Overall, you spoke well, but there were few mistakes in grammar, subject verb agreement. You said factor play important role. Factor plays an
Plays
important
important
role.
role.
Then you mispronounced the word resume. You said resumes, resume. The
Resume.
right pronunciation is
Okay.
CV and resume.
Okay.
Okay? Otherwise, apart from that, it was good. Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. Is it easy to find a job in your country?
No, I don't think so, as I have my own personal experience. So it has always been hard to find any kind of job, because there is a lot of competition. It's because of several reasons. First of all, there is an increasing rate in the professionals of a particular field. So there is always some problem with that. When you have to apply somewhere, then there are always and the number of vacancies is always low as compared to the
Okay,
candidates.
what should the government do if there is unemployment in any country?
Well, according to my perception, government should take some serious steps in this regard. They can introduce some kind of self-employment to people. It should encourage them that they have to do something on their own rather than relying on the government solely. And it should also encourage cottage industry. It will
Okay,
also help it a lot.
okay. Is high salary important for any job?
Yes, it matters a lot. It's because of many reasons. First of all, it's because that whenever somebody searching for a job,
Somebody
it's mainly
starts.
start searching for a job. It's mainly because he is in need of some he is in some financial crisis, or he has to be a support of his family. That can be the main reason for searching an employment. And the other one is that definitely, if you are working for some hours, then this amount should be that handsome that you can manage all your expenses and other things as well.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Overall, it's very good, but yeah, getting the feedback of it. Okay. These grammatical mistakes, minor ones, they are the hindrance towards 7. So looking at your overall performance, I'll give you a 6.5, but you're very close to 7. Right? If examiner is Dayalu, Dayalu, generous, so you may get 7 even with this style, but 6.5 is something which you can achieve easily. Right? Now, in order to achieve 7 or above, you need to work out your grammatical mistakes. Thank you.
Thank you.